Hello and welcome to Hebrew Podcasts. This special lesson sets the ground for Lesson 4 and prepares you for the dialogue there by teaching the necessary vocabulary. You should take this lesson before taking Lesson 4. It would then make studying Lesson 4 easier and more enjoyable. And don't forget to download the read-along lesson guide that goes together with this lesson. It's available on our website at HebrewPodcasts.com. I'm Danny, and Noah is here again to help me. Shalom, Noah.
Shalom, Danny.
Let's start today with some new words and then start making some easy sentences. The first word is one that we saw before. Do you remember how to say a son? That's right, ben. And the word for a daughter? That's right, bat. Now let's learn some new words. Noah, how do you say a brother?
Ach. Ach.
And how do we say a sister?
Achot. Achot.
A brother and a sister. That's ach ve'achot. Great. Now how to say a boy, referring to a child?
Yeled. Yeled.
And a young girl?
Yalda. Yalda.
Noah, how about some baby's first words? Father or dad is?
Abba. Abba.
And mom is?
Ima. Ima.
Very good. Next is a word that doesn't have a direct equivalent in English. It indicates the possessive. It also means of, as in the house of Dahlia. The word is?
Shel. Shel.
Now we're ready to start making some sentences. Let's start with Dahlia's house.
Habayit shel Dahlia. Habayit shel Dahlia.
Excellent. Now for a more complex sentence, Noah, how do we say Yoni is Dahlia's son?
Yoni hu haben shel Dahlia. Yoni hu haben shel Dahlia.
Yoni hu haben shel Dahlia. The word hu refers to Yoni and serves the same purpose in the sentence as the verb is in English. Let's try another example. Dahlia is Yoni's mother.
Dahlia hi ima shel Yoni. Dahlia hi ima shel Yoni.
Well done. Okay, let's move on. Now let's learn another adjective. Remember that adjectives are words that describe other words. So Noah, how do we say small or little?
Katan. Katan.
And the feminine version?
Ktana. Ktana.
Wonderful. Let's see it used in a sentence. Noah, how about Yoni is a little boy?
Yoni hu yeled katan. Yoni hu yeled katan.
And Tali is a little girl?
Tali hi yalda ktana. Tali hi yalda ktana.
Great. Next, let's learn to ask someone's age. The question, how old, is
Ben kama. Ben kama.
kama. That's a question word that means how much or how many. How many years that is. Noah, let's ask, how old is Yoni?
Ben kama Yoni. Ben kama Yoni.
And the answer is?
Yoni hu ben shalosh. Yoni hu ben shalosh.
He's 3. Good work. For a female, the question changes slightly. To ask how old about a girl would be
Bat כמה. בת כמה.
So let's ask, how old is Tali?
בת כמה טלי? בת כמה טלי?
And the answer is,
טלי היא בת 4. טלי היא בת 4.
Tali is 4. Good job. Let's learn the word for preschool. To say preschool or kindergarten, the word is gan. The word also means garden. So Noah, let's hear Yoni is going to preschool.
יוני הולך לגן. יוני הולך לגן.
And how about Tali?
טלי הולכת לגן. טלי הולכת לגן.
Lagan. That's to the preschool. Outstanding. The word for no or not is
לא. לא.
so to say Yoni is not going to preschool, we would say
יוני לא הולך לגן. יוני לא הולך לגן.
fantastic. The word for such or so is
כזה. כזה.
so to say Yoni is so little or Yoni is so small, that would be
יוני הוא כזה קטן. יוני הוא כזה קטן.
bravo. Now let's vary it a little. To speak about a girl instead, the word kaze changed to kazot. So Noah, let's hear Tali is so small.
טלי היא כזאת קטנה. טלי היא כזאת קטנה.
Thank you. One more example. Yoni is so nice is
יוני הוא כזה נחמד. יוני הוא כזה נחמד.
nice. Moving to our next topic, let's learn how to say when. Hebrew has a word for when that is used to describe a point in time, such as when I came home. The word is ka'asher, but in spoken Hebrew we'll hear it contracted to a prefix, kshe. Let's see an example. When Noah is learning,
כשנועה לומדת. כשנועה לומדת.
one more example. When Yoni goes to preschool,
כשיוני הולך לגן. כשיוני הולך לגן.
that's awesome. Next we'll learn to say I was.
אני הייתי. אני הייתי.
So I was home,
אני הייתי בבית. אני הייתי בבית.
very good. The next word we'll learn has no direct equivalent in English. It means at someone's place. The word is
אצל. אצל.
let's hear I was at Noah's place.
אני הייתי אצל נועה. אני הייתי אצל נועה.
Very good. To ask where, we say איפה. So to ask where is Noah, it's
איפה נועה? איפה נועה?
excellent. And the answer is that Noah is at Dahlia's place.
נועה אצל דליה. נועה אצל דליה.
Well done. Let's learn another verb. To ask. In the present tense, it's
שואל. שואלת. שואל. שואלת.
We heard both the masculine and feminine forms respectively. Let's see an example. Noah is asking what's new.
נועה שואלת מה חדש. נועה שואלת מה חדש.
Wonderful. Yoni is asking where Dahlia is.
יוני שואל איפה דליה. יוני שואל איפה דליה.
Fantastic. The word for question is
שאלה. שאלה.
Tali is asking a question is
טלי שואלת שאלה. טלי שואלת שאלה.
and questions in plural is
שאלות. שאלות.
So Yoni is asking questions would be
יוני שואל שאלות. יוני שואל שאלות.
good job. The verb to hear in the infinitive is
לשמוע. לשמוע.
lishmoa. That's to hear. Let's see some examples. To say I can hear, I would say
אני יכול לשמוע. אני יכול לשמוע.
and in the negative, to say I can't hear,
אני לא יכול לשמוע. אני לא יכול לשמוע.
super. To say must or have to, we say
חייב. חייב.
so you have to hear or you've got to hear would be
אתה חייב לשמוע. אתה חייב לשמוע.
good work. The last thing we'll learn today is how to say to hear in the imperative. Hebrew has a special verb form for the imperative. In the case of to hear, if I wanted to tell someone, listen, it's
שמע. שמע.
so listen to me would be
שמע לי. שמע לי.
li. That's to me. Noah, one last example. How would we say, listen what Yoni asked?
שמע מה יוני שאל. שמע מה יוני שאל.
Thanks. Sha'al. That's the past tense of to ask. And with that we come to the end of this lesson. Now you're ready for lesson 3, in which we're going to talk with Noah about her recent visit with her sister Dahlia in Tel Aviv and about her nephew Yoni. Until then, shalom ולהתראות.
שלום ולהתראות.